guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some authentic Jamaican green plantain porridge in my kitchen the traditional way. Growing up in Jamaica, green plantain porridge was one of my favorite. I used to enjoy this growing up as a little girl. So today I will be making it in my kitchen for you guys. This recipe is quick, simple, and easy. Doesn't need a lot of ingredients. If you try this recipe, I can assure you, you will fall in love. So if you want to learn this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hit that like button and let's go ahead and cook us some plantain porridge. Let's go. These are all the simple ingredients that I will be using today to make my authentic Jamaican green plantain porridge. Over here, some of my evaporated milk. I have me here 2 green plantain. The greener the plantain, the better the porridge. Some salt, vanilla extract, some sweetened condensed milk to give it that nice taste, some ground whole nutmeg, my oats as a thickening agent to thicken my porridge, and some cinnamon sticks. In my pot here, I am going to go ahead and add me 5 cups of water to come to a boil. To my pot, I'm going in with 2 cinnamon sticks. Now the cinnamon sticks helps to give it that lovely flavor and that nice smell. To that, I'm going in with some salt. Now the salt helps to smooth your stomach with all the dairy ingredients that I will be using in my porridge. And just give it that stir, making sure the salt particles are being dissolved. And it is going to be boiled, so it will be dissolved as well. Now we're going to cover this up and we're going to let this come to a boil for 7 to 10 minutes. So see you guys soon. Now we're going to clean up our plantain. We want to make sure all the dirt particles are being removed from my plantain. We're going to cut the end of our plantain, both ends, and then we're going to use the tip of the knife, and then we're going to just slit the plantain going down just like so. The same area that we slit, we are just going to peel our plantain just like so. It is easy. At this point, I am going to go ahead and cut up my plantain in small bits because I am going to place it inside my blender to be blended. So you want to make sure they're cut up in small pieces just like so. Plantain to perfection. And a moment of silence and take a look how my pata bubble up. The cinnamon aroma in my kitchen is everything. We are going to add all of my ingredients that you're seeing here inside of my blender. First, I'm going to add my plantain. Up next, I am going to go ahead and add my thickening agent, which is my oatmeal. To that, I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of my powdered nutmeg. And this is another way to avoid lumps inside of your porridge. You know, sometimes when you're adding your dried ingredients to your porridge, it tends to develop lumps. So when I blend everything out, the mixture is going to be smooth and nice. You will see when that process comes up. Everything is going to be blended out properly. To all of that, I'm going in with some water. And I'm adding water so all my ingredients are being leveled and so it can be blended out properly. And we're going to blend away until it is smooth. And we are finished blending out our mixture. Now, this is the process that I was awaiting to show you guys what your mixture should look like. As I said earlier, when I added my nutmeg, this is what I'm talking about, smoothness. This is what your porridge consistency should look like, smooth, okay? This is another way to add your powdered mixture to your blender so your porridge can be smooth. And we are back. If you enjoyed the smell of cinnamon when making porridge, let me know in the comment section. And I'm just taking my time here and add my blended mixture to my pot. Meanwhile, adding my mixture, I am going to go ahead and whisk. Whisking plays an important role when making porridge, okay? You don't want your porridge to get sticking to the pot. And we're just going to cover this up and we're just going to leave this until it comes to a boil for 10 minutes. So, see you guys soon. And look at all of this niceness. I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek. And we are back. If your consistency and texture doesn't look like this, well, you're doing something wrong. So please pay keen attention, okay? You want your porridge to look like this. To all of that niceness, I am going in with roughly half cups of my evaporated milk. And I'm just going to give it that whisk, making sure my evaporated milk is well combined. And I'm going to go ahead and remove my cinnamon stick so it is easy for me to whisk my ingredients in my porridge. Going in with my vanilla extract, and I'm roughly adding me here 1 tablespoon of my vanilla extract and just give it that whisk, making sure our vanilla extract is being dissolved into my mixture. Whisking plays an important role. Now I'm just going to grate my whole hard nutmeg into my porridge using my grater. And see, I'm using the old-fashioned way that my mom and my grandma taught me when growing up as a child. And look at that. Cannot go wrong. And just whisk all of that in. The authentic way to make your porridge is this. You cannot go wrong when making your porridge following these steps. Now we're going to cover this and let it come to a boil for 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes is up and we are back, which is the final step when preparing my porridge. Now I am going to sweeten my porridge with my sweetened condensed milk. And I just want to get a point across. We have different taste buds and I am going to sweeten my porridge here that I am making according to my own liking. So please sweeten your porridge to your liking. I like it when it's a little sweet. I am not sure if you do, but please go ahead and sweeten according to your own liking. And please guys, make sure you mix until all of your ingredients is being dissolved. And we're going to give it a taste test and it needs something. And I'm just going in with 1 tablespoon of my granulated sugar so it could get that nice sweet taste. Okay? And just combine everything together by mixing until it is being dissolved. Okay? Cannot wait to taste this baby and give it that last taste test. Doesn't need anything more whatsoever. My porridge here is fully complete. I'm about to turn my stove off and go make me a plate because your girl is hungry. A moment of silence and just look at all of this niceness right here in front of me. Green plantain to perfection. And I'm just grating some of my nutmeg on top of my porridge. This is the authentic way how I like it. And there you have it, my authentic Jamaican green plantain porridge in my kitchen, the traditional way. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, try it out in your kitchen and let me know how it came out. I want your honest feedback. So please Come back and let me know how you like it. And you can have this with whatever side item you want to have it with. I am having this with some butter croissant. It is so good. So that's what I'm having it with. You can have it with hard dough bread, some fried dumpling, whatever of your choice. This recipe right here, so I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 because it came out perfect. Green plantain porridge. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I am going to give you guys a taste test. So here you go. Enjoy and see you guys soon. Bye, guys.